Hello again. Well, colder weather has worked its way into Scotland and Northern Ireland, and it's gradually working southwards. On the other hand, though, in the southern districts of the country, it'll be a milder night than it was last night. Now, the reason for these changes, well, let's have a look at this evening's weather chart. And there you can see the cold front, which has brought the colder weather to the northern districts, gradually working its way southwards. There are problems with that cold front, though. It has got several little ripples, and that's tending to make the movement southwards a little bit erratic. So, moving on to tonight's weather then, and this is the rain associated with that front, and it's gradually working its way southwards during the course of the night and clouding up in these southern districts. The winds are also freshening as well, and quite strong winds too. But in the northern districts, though, somewhat colder air, and this is going to lead to slight frost in places and possibly some icy patches on the roads. Now, moving on to tomorrow's weather, and the northern districts, first of all, that's Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Northern England and North Wales. Then it looks as if it's going to be a colder day than it has been today. As you can see, the temperature's around about 4 to 6 degrees centigrade. That's the around about the 40 mark, or a little in the low 40s. And this colder air is going to gradually work its way southwards during the course of the day. In the cold air, though, there will be some showers, and later in the day these showers may very well turn to snow, not only on the mountains here, but also on the low ground in the extreme north of Scotland. Now, South Wales and the Midlands, East Anglia and southern England starting off cloudy with rain, but this clearer and colder weather gradually working its way southwards during the course of the day. It's going to take its time to get into the extreme southeastern districts of the country, because all the time we're a little bit worried about those waves on that cold front, so that rain will be lingering longer in the southeastern parts. But to make up for it, though, temperatures should be up to 9 or 10 degrees centigrade or thereabouts. Well, now let's go on to the Atlantic weather chart and deal with the outlook for the next couple of days. And here you can see, though, little ripples on that front I was talking about, and it does make it a rather erratic progress southeastwards, but we expect it to move southwards during the course of the day and be away from southern England probably by nightfall, or it could even be a little bit earlier than that. And thereafter we've got initially a rather cold, showery sort of airstream, but you'll notice how this high pressure area over here is fairly well in southern latitudes. In other words, it allows an airstream to come round the top over here and into the country rather like that. So in other words, it's going to be rather a changeable westerly airstream with these troughs in this airstream. So we can say for the outlook, it's going to be rather on the changeable side with rain at times and a good deal of cloud. Well, that's it for tonight then. Jack Scott's the weatherman tomorrow. Now, just to refresh your memory, here's a summary chart.